So the tip I would give to a friend is to not freak out. Don't overreact. There's always going to be bumps in the road in any business. In Amazon, it's suspensions. You could lose your ASIN, you could lose your account. Don't freak out. Take a deep breath. Evaluate how you're going to respond. And that's probably one of the things you need for all businesses, but in particular for Amazon. So if you get a suspension or an ASIN gets suspended, just gather your wits about you first. We know you're under stress, and then think about how best to respond to it.
It's actually more work than you've been led to believe by a lot of people. I know Manny is really honest about this, but a lot of gurus push that it's passive income, it's easy, you can just have it as your secondary income kind of thing. But the real success I've seen with my friends and the people I've seen be successful, they put in a lot of hustle, a lot of grind, and it's an exponential curve. It's not linear. So putting in a little bit of the work doesn't get you a little bit of the success. It's more linear. So you put in a little bit of work, and then at the very end of that curve is where you start to see the real success on the hustle to grind scale.
I think this is, again, very simple. Don't give up. So I think a lot of people don't start, and of those who start, some give up too early.
Profits. It's what we all want. Profits. It's also the name of a brand new tool by Helium 10. With Profits, you'll know exactly how much you're actually profiting on your sales, and you'll be alerted of any major changes in your product sales. Profits by Helium 10 tracks your FBA fees, referral fees, storage fees, refunds, coupon codes, promotions, sponsored ads, and a lot more, all in one place. Why spend $100 for some other profit tool when you can get Profits for free today? Check it out over at helium10.com/profits.